Hey there, welcome to our new video. In this video, I'll be going over how to take a full page screenshot on your iPhone. So let us get started. To capture a full page screenshot of a web page on your iPhone using Safari, follow these simple steps. First, take a screenshot by pressing the appropriate buttons on your device. Once the thumbnail of the screenshot appears, tap on it to open the editing view. In this view, tap on Full Page to access the entire screenshot, where you can scroll through the preview on the right to see the entire content. If you want to keep only a portion of the screenshot, tap the crop button and adjust the handles to select the desired area. When you are satisfied with the edits, tap Done. To share the screenshot, tap the Share button and choose from various options like Messages, Mail, or other apps. If you wish to save it as a PDF, select Save PDF to Files. Pick the destination folder and then tap Save. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to take scrolling screenshots in Safari on your iPhone, capturing everything from top to bottom. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.